Hello UiPath experts. In this video, we will see about the triggers. I just open the Google form. So Google search engine. Okay, let's open the Google search engine. Before that, I'm just opening the entities from the data services. There is a Google search query is there. So here we have a 3 columns. The main 3 columns is a query. So which query? So they are just searching and searched by. So to whom they are searching, who are searching and search on. So when they search. So here there is no records here. Okay. So let us go back and create open the one Google form, Google search engine. I'm just searching here. Let us observe what it is doing. Okay. What is time now in Chennai? Okay, and what is weather in Ongole? Okay, California, 14. Okay, so how to install UiPath? Tell me. Um, okay, so almost I searched a few queries. Let's go back to the entities and go to the Google search and see the data. So earlier it is empty. So whatever I search, see what is the time now in Chennai, what is the weather in Ongole, what is the weather in California, how to install UiPath, the difference between this one. So who is created by, when is created on, right? So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 searches. Let us try a few more things like a RPA developer salary in India. Uh, See, so almost a few searches. Just open this one. Earlier it is a 6 records. Now just go to the data. You can see. So why we have to need to automate average salary of the Python developer. Okay. So whatever we are searching here, so it is going to be there. Okay. Okay. So this is the number how to learn UiPath. So is RPA easy to learn? I just search the is RPA easy to learn. So just go to here. What is the latest record? See, is RPA easy to learn or not? Okay, got it. So how it is doing? So there is a UiPath robot executing in the background. I'm just stopping the bot. So what the bot will do? It's a very simple. You just has to drag the trigger scope, and I just indicating the search the box. So basically, this is a search box. If you see the search box, okay, highlight the search box, and within that, so there is a attribute called title. So the title is changes the arguments. So in the arguments, so we're just assigning the arguments dot event information dot attribute information dot value. That is a search titles. Okay, so it will give the search titles. Within that, so I'm removing the hyphen Google search. So this is a search value. So we have to add that into the entity. So that's why I created a new variable called an entity for Google search query. That's the entity name from the data services. Then we are just simply adding the values. What is a query we search? What is a search by the environment.username and search by on is a time, and then create a entity. That's it. So very simple. Just try the data services. Okay, so once your data services and as well as the trigger. So what is the activity we use? Element attribute changes. So this is a where we use this element attribute change. Whenever the element value attribute value is changes, So once it has changes, it has to trigger, right? In that case, we will use a element attribute change trigger. Thank you very much.